Breaking news overnight that we want to get you caught up to speed on. KCTV5 has obtained demographic information for vaccinations in Jackson County. New this morning, it's showing a vast racial disparity.
The state tracks this data on a larger scale, but this information is not accessible on the state's vaccine website. Abby Dodge has been tracking the uneven distribution of vaccine in the metro. All right, Abby, so what does the data actually show here?
Well, there is clearly a discrepancy in the number of vaccines given to Black and white people in Jackson County. Even more disappointing, we had to wait a month to find out about it. I submitted a sunshine request, which is an open records request through the state of Missouri on February 10th. It took the state health department about a month to get us the data they initially said was easily accessible. So here's what we learned from the data we got overnight. We spoke with the director of the KC Health Department, Dr. Rex Archer, back in February. He told us they've been asking the state for this data and getting nothing in return. Almost 30,000 white people are vaccinated in Jackson County. That's 6% of the county's white population. That number drops to about 2,500 people when we look at our Black population, which is only about 1.5% of the Black community in Jackson County. There are just over 4,000 people who identify as multiracial who've gotten their vaccine. The second largest category behind white people is unknown. We don't know the race of more than 11,000 people who've been vaccinated. This is another topic I discussed with Dr. Archer last month. He's asking the state to make all demographic fields a requirement when jurisdictions submit data to the state. We learned through the data the Latinx community, which is dying from COVID at a disproportionate rate, is also being vaccinated disproportionately. There are just over 1,500 Latinx people vaccinated in Jackson County, while more than 30,000 people who do not identify as Latinx are vaccinated. The number of unknown ethnicities remains high, more than 17,000 people. We reached out to the mayor's office with this new data to ask for his reaction. We'll let you know when we get something back from them. Live in Kansas City, Abby Dodge, KC TV5 News.
Abby, thank you for your report this morning. It is